Now, when you go into Google Classroom, underneath our classroom page, you should immediately be able to see a list of tasks that are due that you have not yet submitted. So you can look at that to see what you need to submit. Now, when you go into the classroom page, you can see that list again on the left-hand side. Now, the page that pops up is the stream page. And the stream page shows the list of all the recent announcements and posts that I've made in our classroom page. And you can scroll through that to see what is on our classroom page. Now, when you are submitting your classwork and your homework, you need to go to the relevant post. So in this case, this is the post for Friday, week 9. You click on that. And then you click on add or create to upload your work. So remember, you need to upload a photo of your work, your class notes, and your homework. So you click on that, click on file, and now you find the file on your device. So that's your photo that you have taken for your class notes and your homework. And so you find that file and then upload. Okay, so if you're done, you can click on Hand In, and that should come through to me to grade and to give you feedback on it. Now, if you realize that you have forgotten to add one more file, you can unsubmit your task by clicking Unsubmit, and then this will pop up again for you to be able to upload another file. So you can select your file from your device, find your file, click Upload. And then you can click Hand In. Now, when you go back to your default page, so if you go to default page, you can now see on the list of upcoming tasks that the task that you've just submitted has disappeared because you have now submitted your task. So always check this list to see what you need to submit. Now, if you click on the 3 lines on the top left-hand corner, you can click on the to-do list to see the tasks that you have already submitted and to see any feedback that you have received.